Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Here basically we are discussing about the city creation topic. In this basically we are discussing about the calculation of the data basically. In this basically Apple says that basically Apple Group basically says that basically we have created the Apple, and Apple basically is going to generate good management skill basically, right? So one of the person told that yes, here basically is generating good management skill basically. So good management skill means, one of the person told that good management skill means he is going to generate good management skill basically. So for to maintain that basically in the environment basically, to maintain the environment basically, lots of environment also has to be handled basically. In that basically you the environment is going to handle like with the help of the human clone only, because body only can maintain the body basically. So this is the rules basically of the universe basically. So to handle the blood cells basically, only blood cells basically can handle that particular blood cells basically. Only blood cells only basically can handle the blood cells basically. It's like that. That's the rules basically. So apple body basically, for example, there are around 30 crore people basically who are eating the apple, right? Basically, so they are eating the apple. So that body basically is supposed to be maintained basically. For that basically few 30-40 lakh people basically are created basically. So that 30-40 human clone basically are created, and that 40 human clone basically 40 lakh people basically are just handling these people. So each and every people basically are handling each other. That also you can say basically. And that's very dangerous point basically which I have told just now basically. Each and every people basically are handling each and every people. That's why basically this group says that basically we have divided 11 parts already. This is negative part basically, and positive part is also basically there. So like this basically people says that basically we have created apple, and on the basis of apple creation basically the 30 crore people has basically eaten the apple also, and 30 crore people basically has eaten the apple. For that basically the 30 to 40 lakh people basically are also created. That is the human clone industry basically, who basically say that basically we have created this. So one of the person told that basically, if you create the tree basically, then it will not work basically. Then he told that basically tree basically we have done that basically experiment also. We have created the trees also. You can see the tree basically. Why they have created basically. Why they have created? There might be some reason. Lots of people say that tree basically gives the good environment basically. But what is actually that basically? What actually that is basically? That is this only basically. Whatever things basically you have basically you basically have it basically in the human body basically, that basically has to maintain basically. For example, apple says that basically you have basically eaten the apple, your basically management skill basically will get increased, your remember also basically will get increased. But how that is getting maintained basically, how your bodies basically are getting maintained, that is with the help of this 30-40 lakh people basically who are human clone basically, who has generated. Previously basically 30-40 lakh tree was basically there. Previously there was 30-40 crore tree basically. Few people say that 30 crore 40 crore people basically, 30 crore tree basically converted into 30-40 lakh people basically. That's very dangerous, or basically it has basically uh, that's basically negative and positive both sides basically are there. Few people says that basically you can see that 40 crore trees basically. Yes, I can see basically. I can see that 40 crore tree. That is equivalent to this 40 lakh people basically. And they fired the tree basically. They fired the tree basically. They fired the tree basically. That types of people basically say basically. People say that basically this is the new generation basically. For example, one of the person told that Sunil, where is your new generation basically? Where is your next generation basically? Then Sunil basically told, नहीं यार मेरी अभी तक शादी नहीं हुई है. I don't have basically I don't have wife also basically. Then how basically I can have the next generation basically. So this is Sunil R Nair's basically current status basically, right? That Sunil R Nair basically have no generation basically. So for future generation basically Sunil R Nair basically don't have any people basically, right? Basically. Then he told that yes, here basically there is no next generation in here basically. You don't have any next generation only basically. So one of the person basically told that basically, तो फिर तो क्यों जिंदा क्यों है? That also basically one of the person told that basically he was basically literally basically was watching this video basically, he commented that basically कि क्यों भाई next generation कुछ है नहीं basically, then why basically you are जिंदा basically. So that type of comment basically give people basically gives the content comment basically. Why? Because people mentality are like that basically. People see this person basically rejected, so his mentality is like that basically. He rejected unnecessary. He unnecessary basically rejected. He told that basically I have sent the resume to Chennai people basically, and basically he unnecessary rejected. He basically have are connected with the Microsoft also basically. So Microsoft also basically supports him basically, who are basically sitting at the Chennai, sorry, at the Chani basically. Sometimes basically they also attacks basically. That also they are going to get basically through this basically. Whenever the 11 parts is going to damage, parts are going to divide. I told basically right, 11 parts basically is going to damage or are going to convert to the, sorry, whenever the 11 parts basically is going to divide basically, that time it might possible that basically Asia land basically might be getting separate basically. In that time basically, that would be this group basically. Who supported this and this group, but this group basically don't know anything basically, that this group basically has done this type of activities basically, done this type of, and this group basically might be created as a dummy partners basically, might possible, or basically it might possible this person basically might have created this group as a dummy partner basically, and support, and this basically like this basically things are basically there. So just see basically what are the things basically. So one of the person told that basically, अरे यार ये एप्पल जो है, एप्पल ग्रुप बेसिकली हु एक्चुअली क्रिएटेड द एप्पल, प्रीवियसली इट वाज ट्रीज बेसिकली राइट, 40 करोड़ ने 70 करोड़ 60 करोड़ ट्रीज बनाए, दे बेसिकली कन्वर्टेड दैट 60 करोड़ इनटू 30 लाख ह्यूमन बेसिकली, यार ह्यूमन क्लोन बेसिकली. सो मतलब ह्यूमन क्लोन का बिजनेस बढ़ गया है क्या बेसिकली. दिस ऑल्सो कन्वर्ट टू बिजनेस है बेसिकली, दिस इज कनेक्टिंग द बिजनेस ऑफ, बिजनेस ऑफ यूएसए, यूके, Singapore, because Singapore is connected, very highly connected with technical power basically, and connected with Canada and Russian group, and Russian groups are connected with nuclear energy, and nuclear energy basically is equal to chemical part of the human clone basically. So like this basically they converted into, Apple converted into big level of business basically. Why? To handle that 40 crore people basically who had the Apple basically, for that basically previous day means long before basically, previous whole day also basically Apple was there basically, previous day also Apple was there, that time basically the trees were handling these people basically, that is 30-40 crore basically, that is such see basically up to what dangerous level things basically. And lots of people says that basically you are technically not good basically, lots of people says basically this group basically has told basically that you are not technically sound basically. Then this, when this will basically come basically, that time I will tell you what actually technical is also, and these groups still basically are in that country also, that we will see, and soon basically we are going to see. Like this basically Apple is equal to 30 crore people basically, then he told that here 30-40 crore people basically are equal to Apple. So 30 crore people basically had the Apple food inside their body, and the blood cells has generated, that is temporary blood cells, but that is connecting to the body basically, right? They keeps on eating apple, keeps on eating, that basically converts to activation of blood cells basically. They basically previous day basically 40 crore people, 40 to 60 crore basically trees was there basically. Then he told that yes, yeah basically previously basically it was tree basically, but nowadays basically that tree has converted into 60-70 crore basic trees basically converted into human clone basically, that is 30 lakh human clone basically, sorry 30, 30-40 lakh basically human clone basically, that is a human clone basically equal to human body basically, human clone, and the human clone basically master are this group basically, these groups are master in the human cloning basically. So this is also business and sales of the human cloning basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more of this.